radiation belt approaching. Initiate shield.
I will raise our unremembered and unmourned.
You can't possibly be thinking about pledging to him. And what's all that about becoming a peaceful empire? He's too weak to be our emperor.
Enough!
You're weak too. Maybe I didn't make myself clear, Lieutenant Lahn. I'm in charge of this shielding facility. My word is law. Aye, sir.
Recharge and prepare for the next radiation sequence. Open a hailing frequency to Gulra Command. Paladins, I am Commander Bogue.
First you side with Lotor and get our system attacked by Sendak. Then you willfully work with Voltron, our sworn enemies.
Are you freaking kidding me? Balance ball!
Huh? We're going to die because of Commander Bogue.
You know...
Rapid Saw! Shielding complete. Recharge and prepare for the next radiation sequence. Rapid Saw!